Hello students, welcome to this video lecture on engineering curves. I, Anthony Augustine, would be discussing in this video lecture problem of a hyperbola drawn by foci vertices method. The problem statement states that 2 points A and B are 80 mm apart. We have to draw the curve traced out by a point moving in such a way that the difference between its distance from point A and B is always constant and is equal to 30 mm. When we read this problem statement, we should notice the statement that the curve is traced by a point moving in such a way that the difference of its distance from two fixed points, that is foci A and B, is always constant and it is equal to 30 mm. So when the statement mentions difference between the distance from foci is constant, the curve is a hyperbolic curve. So the points A and B represent the foci, which I assume as AB equal to 80 mm, that is already given in the problem, and the vertices V1 and V2 I have named is 30 mm. The points are symmetrically located as shown in the figure. Through points V1 and V2 would the two branches of hyperbola pass, and I would be constructing the hyperbolic curve passing through the vertices, that is the point of intersection with the axis line. So now let's start with the actual construction, which starts with data interpretation, and AB is foci and V1 V2 represent vertices. I draw a horizontal to start the problem and I'll take distances AB on it. While marking points A and B on the horizontal, I also mark the midpoint. So I find the midpoint also, and about the midpoint I take 15 mm on either side, which represents the two vertices. So I get A, B and V1, V2. The distance between V1 and V2 is 30 mm. Now on the right side of B, I'll take 3 random points as shown. So 3 random points I have taken on the right side of focus B. Next, I take on my compass a distance from vertex V1 to point 1. As you can see, from vertex to point 1, that is the random point I have taken, which I had marked earlier. So from vertex V1 to point 1, and I'll use these distances and mark from the focus. Okay, so distances taken from the vertex marked from the foci. I take this distance and keep it on the focus A and obtain 2 arcs above and below vertex V2, and keep it on B focus, find 2 arcs above and below vertex V1. Now I'll keep it on the second vertex V2 and take the distances up to point 1. Earlier I had taken distance from vertex V1 to 1. Now I am taking distance from V2 to 1. I'll be keeping this distance on the foci and marking arcs. Okay, so I am taking distances from vertex and marking arcs through foci. So I've taken distance, kept it on A and found the intersecting arcs on the arcs above and below V1 and V2 respectively. So I get 4 intersecting points on the that lie on the hyperbolic curve. I erase the unnecessary arcs and darken the points obtained. Next, I take distance from V1 to point 2. Okay, so I had in the first instance I had taken distance from V1 to 1 and V2 to 1. Now in this instance I would be measuring distances up to the random point I had taken, that is point 2. So you can see I have taken distance V1 to point 2. Now I keep it on focus A, mark the arcs above and below vertex V2, keep it on B, mark arcs above and below V1. Now I take distance about vertex 2 to the point 2 on my compass, and I'll be using this distance to mark arcs through focus A above and below vertex V1 and focus B above and below vertex V2. Next, I take the last point, that is vertex V1 to point 3 on my compass, keep it on focus A and find arcs above and below V2, and keep it on focus B, find arcs above and below V1. Now I take distance from V2 to point 3, vertex 2 to point 3, keep it on focus A and find the intersecting arc with the previous arc above V1, and use focus B to find the intersecting arcs above and below vertex V2. Now I've got 3 points on either side for each branch of hyperbola, and I erase the unnecessary arcs. For points corresponding to 1, I'll be naming them points P1. Points corresponding to random point 2, I'll be naming P2 and P3 respectively. I'll be using a French curve which is flexible, as you can see already, and adjust 3 or more points to draw a continuous curve. The edge of the French curve is adjusted to accommodate 3 or more points, and I draw a smooth curve joining all the points, as can be seen. So I complete both the branches of the hyperbola through points obtained and by using the French curve edge. So I name the points P1, P2, P3 corresponding to random points 1, 2 and 3, and this is the hyperbola obtained by foci vertices method. I hope you are able to solve the problem, and this is the final solution that was desired.